Greetings and salutations, everyone. A few weeks back, during early spring, a man with his dog on a casual hike inside a provincial park in southern British Columbia told us of hearing strange sounds emanating from the forest. Well, of course, we're going to travel to that location and try to determine what he heard and hopefully catch a soundbite and maybe more. Welcome to Monster of the Woods, the Sasquatch. The park, located not too far from Vancouver City, is a popular destination for those wanting to get out into nature. On the weekends, it's very active. There are people everywhere. Chances are, what the man heard was human activity. Then again, it could be something else. The location where he heard the sounds is right beside a fast-running creek, so the sound of the water is dominant in these recordings. After nearly 4 hours on location, we captured nothing out of the ordinary. The witness maintains what he heard that day was most unnatural and definitely not human. Who can say? We were not present. We continue our exploration of British Columbia, looking into stories and tales of the Sasquatch's existence. True or false? That's the question. For many of you, you've already made up your mind. You believe. And then there's the hardcore skeptics. We are somewhere in between. Until next time, friends, eyes open, cameras ready. Thank you for watching Monster of the Woods, the Sasquatch. Over and out.